Good morning, guys. Today I'm bringing you another Citizen watch review. We're looking at another one of their Eco Drive collections today. So let's have an initial look at the box. So initial look at this outside layer is its simple cardboard cover, just to go over that Citizen box. Quite often companies have got these cardboard covers nowadays. The box itself follows the same sort of style branding as the card outside cover. Again, very simple lift off lid style Citizen box. Stuck on something. That made a horrible sound. Obviously got an international guarantee, our manual all inside as well. Main watch sits inside an actual simple cardboard sock lookalike. So here we go, guys. This is the Citizen AT141 Eco Drive Sport. So we have a 42mm case diameter with a 11mm case thickness. So it's sort of the average kind of size really for most watches. Retails at £235, weighs 140 grams, and uses a H504 style quartz movement. And part of the Eco Drive, as it says on the face there, part of the Eco Drive label is so that it charges based on solar, I believe. So this is a solar power dial, and obviously hands there as well for the luminous. So look at the dial. We've got a high reflective sunray style, navy blue style dial with 3 chronographs. So you've got a seconds counter, a 24-hour reader, and a stopwatch on there as well. Fully luminous hands and a tiny little seconds hand here as well, with a date dial just sitting down at the 4 PM. Got full sapphire glass going over the top of this actual face of the watch. 10 atmospheric waterproofness as well. So let's have a look at the chronograph and how it moves. Quite a cheap style button, not much feedback when you push it in. It just seems to push in lightly. It's like a cushion when you're pushing it in. I'd rather have some feedback when I'm actually pressing it, but it doesn't matter. It's still nice chronograph with a nice wind back function as well. It stopwatches up to an hour, this style watch. Inside the actual face, you've got like a interior tachymeter bezel, if you like, inside the actual main 42mm dial. You can see in that does speed of objects usually, tachymeter. So carrying to the casing, got a full stainless steel casing here with a little bit of a polished effect on the side, or is it? Yeah, polished effect on the side there. Full mirror effect on the actual top part of the bezel. It's almost split in half in terms of the finish. The strap is a 20mm strap, adjustable by little tiny pins on the side of the actual strap. Let's have a look at that crown and the movement of it. Nice strong movement to the actual crown when you're turning those hands. Shows the element of quality there. It's a simple push down crown, doesn't screw in place, and you've got a nice silent date dial as well. Citizen is usually one of those watches that you get an element of quality with. It's one of those medium range brands. So let's come down to the clasp. You've got a double folding style clasp in here. I think this is in the wrapper at the moment, so I don't think I'm going to show that. I'm not going to tear that all off, but yes, it'll be a double fold over style strap. Looks to have cheap inside components with this little bit of metal here. Just it will have cheaper style interior. Full citizen embossing in the actual casing of the clasp. Come around the back of the actual watch, you've got a screw down style case and a full citizen printing going all the way back there as well. Nice citizen globe, as well as a little bit more information about the watch on there as well. So guys, that is the Citizen AT141 Eco Drive.